Oh, hi, are you here for a tour? Okay, awesome. Well, I'm Ruby. I am a sophomore here at Monmouth College and I'm a social science education major and I live in Pattee. So this is my dresser and TV, and I actually made this garland and bows myself, which is very cute. And then along this wall, I have my desk and a big shelf on top, which is very nice. And I actually have a dartboard that I bedazzled myself. And then along this way, I have my bed, and I actually also made my headboard myself. And then I have a really big window here, which is so nice because it has lots of natural light. And then if you come along this way, I have my bathroom that I share with 3 other girls, and we have a shower, a separated toilet, and 2 sinks. So come along this way, we have a big mirror, and through this hallway we were able to put our mini fridge, microwave, and ice machine. And then we also have our big walk-in closet, which is so nice. All right, well, that's pretty much it. So thanks for coming along.